Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys the 5 best apps that you should download on your iPad as a student, and it will be helpful. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first app is called ZenFlip. I don't think this is necessary, but it's that aesthetic clock that you see all over Instagram and like that. So this is how it looks like. So this is the appearance. You can change it into these types of labels and like that. So this is the aesthetic clock. Over here you have the seconds, the time, the date, and then the PM or AM. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And now on to the next app, which is called Focuskeeper. This app uses the Pomodoro time technique. So basically you open up the app and then you click on new task. So over here there's also a paid version, because in the free version there's only 2 tasks you can add up to. So over here, this is how the appearance looks. This is the 25-minute part. So over here, and there's like little tick tick type noise, which is pretty satisfying and makes you speed up your work. So over here, those are the focus, and these are like the little tools. So over here, this is the paid version, but you can see how much average time you did in a day. So over here now, this will turn into break mode. This is a 5-minute break time. As you can see, it changes by itself, which is honestly really great, and I thought it would be super convenient. And now to the next app, which is Widgetsmith. This is one of my favorite apps for personalizing my iPad. So over here they have a bunch of widgets that you can create and customize. So here are a few that I made. So all you're going to do is click on add widget, and then you're going to be choosing the styles and everything. So if you want a date specifically, or the month, date, or whatever. And then over here you can customize the appearance. So I like New York, and then I'm going to choose white tint color, and then the background to be like a little black lighter, I'll say, and then a little candy cane, and then I'm going to click on save. So yeah, I'm going to click on save, and then I'm going to click on that, and that'll take me back. So I'll go to back, and then I'm going to save the the widget. And there you go, you have your widget right there. And then you can just add it to your home screen. I have a whole nother video on how I showed adding widgets on your home screen. It's in my iOS 15 tips and tricks, so make sure to watch that. And now the next app is Xmind. This is my favorite app for mind mapping and to make diagrams and mind maps. Basically what you're going to do is open up the app, log in, and then you're going to click on the plus sign, and then they have all tons of options you can choose from, like what types of diagrams you like and all the color schemes and everything, or a chart diagram or something. So we're just gonna go with the recent one that I made. It's not an actual one, it's a random draft. So then you can also rename the draft and like that, and there you go. So over here, this is how the appearance, the template I chose, but there's also different templates if you guys can use. So over here I can edit all the text and then make my whole mind map. So over here I'm going to double tap. All you gotta do is double tap on the text, and then the keyboard will pop up, and then you can start typing. So I think this app is the best mind mapping app. You guys should definitely download it. And now my favorite app of the day, and the last app, which is called Notion. And so Notion is basically an app where you organize your life, I'll say. Like literally, you organize your life. This is like the best thing I found. I don't know why I didn't do this before, but like this app is so good. It helped me stay so organized. So here are all my like dashboards. I have a home dashboard, like my personal, then student, and then content. So yeah. And if you want a detailed video on this, check out my Notion setup video. I'll link those 2 videos down below. And so that was it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And do make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon for all notifications, like, share, comment on this video and others. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!